This place is sick. We got a protein shake, a Monster, a couple sandwiches. That's the lunch of champions right there. And it's a beautiful day out. What's up, guys? I'm Dylan, aka Shorty HVAC, and we are back, baby. Took a month. Actually, I think it was like 3 months off. I don't know. We took a mental health break. That's what we're gonna call it. We were going through a little bit of depression. You know, we went through a breakup, all of that fun stuff. But we're back and we're in good spirits and we're ready to start making some videos again. So we got this really cool job at a church. Today we're just tearing out some systems. I don't know why they have 3 systems for this one small area, but they do. We're tearing out 3 furnaces and putting back in 1. New ductwork. The place looks really cool. I can't wait to show you. So anyways, just check it out. I've already recorded it. I'm on the way home. Actually, we're on the way to the shop to unload all the scrap and all the old furnaces. Stuff like that. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like. And we just hit 1,000 subscribers and I haven't even been posting. I really appreciate that. Let's freaking go. That's what has me back on my grind, has me back wanting to do it. 1K subscribers, I appreciate it. Let's go. Okay, we got all that tore out. Pretty easy. They painted everything black, so that made it a little difficult, but other than that, pretty easy. We gotta take this one out next. Then we're taking this one out. Then we're gonna put one big furnace back here with a coil, AC, all that. New trunk line. But right now, it's break time. Looking crisp. A little messy, but you get the point. We got the inverter, of course, with the charger. The radio's right there. It's also a Milwaukee charger. We got the whole setup. We got the iPad up here. That's why I gotta keep it locked. And yep, that'll do it. Add it to the pile. Got a protein shake, a Monster, a couple sandwiches. That's the lunch of champions right there. And it's a beautiful day out. It's like 65, birds chirping, sun's out. Gotta love it. And I was at the gym this morning at about 5:15, so we're really getting after it today. Got everything loaded down. Got 2 furnaces in here. We're gonna leave one. We'll get it tomorrow. No sense of moving everything around. I already moved a couple of the pack outs around, but we got her in here. like I said, I am back. There's the video, just a little demo day. We all love the demo days. We're going home about 2 o'clock. We're actually still headed to the shop. 2 o'clock, unload it, be home pretty soon, go hit another workout. Pretty easy day overall. Anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure you're actually liking it and make sure you subscribe. We're at 1K subscribers, going for 2. All right, guys, peace.